Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest cookies ever. First we're gonna need one egg, one whole, and one just the yolk. It's good if all the ingredients are on the room temperature, but if not, it's okay as well. And we're gonna gently do with the eggs like this. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare 300 grams of flour, 1 spoon of vanilla sugar, 1 spoon of baking powder, 100 grams of sugar, I'm gonna put it a bit less, and 150 grams of butter. I'm gonna put it for a few seconds on a fire, but really few seconds is gonna be easier than when mixing the dough. In the meantime, we can prepare ourselves a chocolate, and I'm just gonna cut it on small cubes. You can even add raisins or raspberries or some peanuts, walnuts. I'm gonna go with milk chocolate, 80 grams. I'm gonna use the whole one. We're gonna add this at the end. So now we're gonna mix in our, now we're adding here the eggs and our melted butter. And we're gonna nicely, gently mix all together. So we're gonna make a very nice dough. You'll see, really the easiest cookies ever. It's already forming a bit, as you can see. It's finished when practically you won't have anything on your hands. Now at the end we're gonna add the chocolate and also mix it all together. Eccola, you see? So now we are prepared to make the cookies. So we're just gonna take a bit of our dough. We're gonna make a ball and then just flatten the ball. Try to make the balls the same size. Eccola, and we put it on the baking paper, and we're gonna put in the preheated oven for about 15 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius until they are slightly golden. Again, 180 degrees Celsius, about 15 minutes. They already smell amazing. I bet they're gonna taste even better. Our cookies are ready. You see how nicely they are baked. And now we can prepare 1 cup of cookies and 1 cup of milk for our Santa Claus. And we're gonna put for him right under our Christmas tree. And now we're gonna make small presents with our cookies. I'm gonna put it in this one. In the center. And now we're gonna hold in all the corners. First the diagonal ones, and then these two. And we have the Santa Claus on this side. So we're gonna turn like this. Eccola! And you can give someone for a Christmas present. Made with love. And we put it under our Christmas tree.